Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but all of the downloads in Google Play Store are stuck on the pending in Hotwav Pad 8. To do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store and here try to download any app or game. And when you hit that install button, it changes into the pending mode and it's stuck like this forever. We can cancel it for now, and also I recommend to close the Google Play Store, but it might work without it. Then open the settings and scroll all the way down, enter System, then date and time, and enable set time automatically. Now we need to open a Google Play Store again and try to download the same app. Now it should work fine, but if not, we need to give it a few moments till the time synchronizes and it should go back to normal. Yep, it works fine without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.